Configuring Authorize net Accept.js is a straightforward process that enables secure payment processing on your website or application. To get started, you need to have an Authorize net account and Accept.js library integrated into your system. First, create a payment form on your web page that includes the necessary fields such as card number, expiration date, and security code. This form should not submit the sensitive payment information to your server. Instead, it will be handled by Accept.js. Next, include the Accept.js library in your web page by adding a script tag that points to the Accept.js URL. This library will handle the payment tokenization process. Then set up a payment token request by creating a token request object that includes the payment data and your Authorize net API login ID. This object will be passed to the Accept.js library to generate a payment token. After that, use the Accept.js library to generate a payment token by calling the getAcceptance token method and passing the token request object. This method will return a payment token that can be used to process the payment. Now submit the payment token to your server along with the other payment information such as the amount and invoice number. On your server, use the Authorize net API to process the payment by calling the create transaction method and passing the payment token and other payment information. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly by implementing try-catch blocks and logging mechanisms to ensure that any issues during the payment process are caught and handled. Best practices include using HTTPS protocol to encrypt the payment data and validating user input to prevent any security vulnerabilities. Additionally, make sure to comply with PCI DSS regulations and guidelines to ensure the security and integrity of the payment process. In conclusion, configuring Authorize net Accept.js requires creating a payment form including the Accept.js library, setting up a payment token request, generating a payment token, and processing the payment on your server. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely process payments on your website or application.